Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files on your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, for the first you have to go for the My menu, and right now we have to go for the Samsung folder and enter My Files. And right now when we enter the downloads, right here, you will find everything that you get from the internet. And just to show you that it really works, right now I'm going for the Google Chrome, and I will download the picture of Real Madrid. Go for the images, take one of this photo, click, hold, tap on the download image. Right now we can go back right here, and as you can see, here we get the picture that we get from the Chrome in the download section. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.